Hi friends, welcome to our channel Smart Future. Today I am going to introduce before you 2019 Perodua Axia SE facelift model. Axia takes a long 4 years for launch a facelift model after 2015. I don't know why Perodua takes a long 4 years for introduce a facelift model in market. It is very unusual actually, because all other competitive companies will launch their facelift model in 2 years interval. Nowadays, automotive industry is very fast growing industry, and simultaneously it's very competitive also. Anyway, Perodua is one of the most popular budget friendly car in Malaysia, so most of the middle class family will prefer this car in all time. During this period of time, Perodua can gain that much of credibility from middle class people. Apart from this, let's go and check it out. What are the changes they've done in this new facelift model Perodua 2019? Friends, let's start from the front. Perodua did some cosmetic changes. As you can see, we need to know what are the detailing they given for this model. Come to headlight and front grille, Perodua did some major changes, because in the previous model they provided 2-layer chromium strip, but in this model they changed to single layer chromium strip. I think this is taken from Viva, and a red color strip they provided at the bottom of the grille. That's also very quite attractive. Headlight also they used the same from the previous model. It's a double barrel headlight with projector type, and they provide some chromium detailing inside the headlight. This looks quite attractive. And if you come to bumper, you can see fog lamp is integrated with the bumper, and a backdrop of carbon fiber finish is very stylish also. Actually, bumper is the main attractive part of this model. Integrated fog lamp, wide air dome also you can see. Throughout the bumper they provide a skirting with a black glossy finish, and a red lining is running throughout the bumper. That's also you can see very attractive, because especially in white model. On bonnet we can see 2 power lines on both sides. That gives more bold and stylish look for this small car. From the side profile we couldn't find any major changes actually. The power line starts from the front and running through the side and merge with the tail light. A 14-inch 6-spoke alloy wheel, we can see the design is changed. A dual tone skirting is provided at the bottom. It's a black and white combination. A chromium door handle with the door lock and unlock button. Actually, these are the main things you can see from the side profile of this small cute car. If you come to back side, we can see a spoiler integrated with brake light, and the tail light profile is same, but they changed from clear lines to red lines. In bumper they provide a small skirting integrated with a red lining. It's also a very nice look. Now you can see rear wiper, and after rear wiper we can see a chromium Perodua logo integrated nicely at the center of the boot, and boot handle also you can see that's integrated with lock and unlock button. That's more useful. Right side we can see model and variant badging. On the whole, if you look from the back, Perodua still maintained the same back profile with small cosmetic changes. Let's move to the interior and just see what are the changes they did. Center console, they did some small changes. The one thing is I think AC vent, they are surrounded with a small red strip, and steering wheel is still same without tilt and telescopic, and the instrument cluster they are using white illumination. That is very good at the night. I couldn't show it now. Center console has audio system and AC control surrounded with black glossy finish aluminum touches and surrounded with red lining strips also. The system has USB and Bluetooth connectivity with 4 speakers. Not too good, but it's quite okay. Right side we can see engine stop switch and electrically adjustable side view mirror switch, traction control on off switch, and front parking sensor on off switch. Let's see how side view mirror can electrically adjust. This one fold, and now we can open also. That's more good feature. Side door you can see 4-door power window switches and child lock switch also. Then they provide a bottle holder. Bottle holder is very decent, we should say, because it's very easy to carry 1 liter bottle. That's a very useful thing. Seats are using fabric materials, but the interesting thing is they provide contrast red stitching, that is gives a sporty look, and that's a good thing. And the driver's side seat is manually height adjustable also. In front they provide a decent glove box, that's for carrying some documents safely. If you come to back seat, Perodua did a commendable job, I should say, because they provide a decent leg space in the back seat and very decent thigh support also. I told you before, because this is a family car. For a family car, the back seat comfort is more comfortable than everything. So Perodua did a wonderful job. For a family car, boot capacity also very important. In this car they provide 265 liter boot capacity. That is very decent for a small family car. So in this compartment also they did a very good job. Overall, Perodua did a wonderful job in this small hatchback. They try to give maximum style and comfort for family. Friends, we need to go through technical side and safety features of the car. This is a 1000cc 4-speed automatic transmission, 66 bhp power and 90 Nm of torque. The maximum torque we will get in 3600 rpm. We couldn't say this is a perfect engine, but it's quite okay, that's all. If Perodua provided a 1200cc engine, this car will be more aggressive. If we check overall dimension of the car, the length is 3645 mm and width is 1620 mm and the height is 1510 mm. Cabin insulation of this car is not up to the mark, because we can hear the sound of engine, wind, tire, etc. Because this is a family car, so we always expect a decent sound insulation. So I should say one thing, envious characters of this car need to improve more as a standard. Perodua need to concentrate on it. This is definitely a family car, so we should check what are the safety features Perodua provided for the customers. They provided a dual SRS airbag for driver side and front passenger side. They provide a ABS anti-lock braking system and EBD electronic brake force distribution, and VSC. VSC means vehicle stability control, and TRC traction control, and some other small safety features also. This shows Perodua is more concerned about the safety of their customers. That's a very good sign. If you are looking for a small budget-friendly hatchback car for your family, from my experience I can say undoubtedly Axia will be a right choice for you. Perodua offers decent stylish exterior, comfortable interior, and last but not least, lot of safety features for their customers. For consider all these aspects, Axia will be a right choice for you. If you would like to buy your favorite Perodua car, now you can see in our screen the contact address of the showroom and at the same time the contact number of a sales advisor for get a better offer, better advice and a better service for you. I hope all you enjoy this video. Thank you very much for your support and see you in our next video. Thank you.
Please share and subscribe our channel. Click the icon for notification.